Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today I am so excited because we are talking about one of the hottest launches from one of my favorite brands, Urban Decay. So they just launched the Born to Run collection and we are doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. But this collection is gorgeous. Definitely some products that you need to have in your life, so get excited. Let me show you why. First off, they came out with this amazing eyeshadow palette. There are 21 beautiful shades and I really like the shade selection because you do get some nude eyeshadows or some neutral ones that you could totally do for like everyday looks, but you also get some really fun pops of color. And I love that a lot of these shades are like muted jewel tones because you don't really see that in a lot of palettes, and I just think that they're gorgeous. They really make eye colors stand out and pop and just give it a little something something. So I'm really loving the shade range. And not to mention, honestly, Urban Decay has such amazing eyeshadow formulas. I have said it before on my own YouTube channel and I'll say it again. I just love these formulas. They're so metallic, so creamy, so buttery, and they really do stay on your eyes for a long time. So these are just a couple of the shades, but I just think that they're gorgeous and just shades that everybody could use, everybody could get a lot of use out of, and everybody is gonna love. So I'm a huge fan of this eyeshadow palette. I think that I'm going to be using it a lot. I also think that it's gonna be great for traveling because you do get so many fun shades, but also those neutrals that you need to have, like a white, a black, and everything, honestly, everything you need for upcoming trips. And it goes with the theme, because Born to Run. Okay, so moving on, they also came out with some eye pencils, and you guys know, if you are rock stars, if you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, I love the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil formula. It is such a beautiful formula. It stays on for literally ever. It's waterproof, it's creamy, it does blend out if you want to blend it really quickly, but it's also smudge proof once it's set. So it's beautiful, beautiful formulas. But one thing that I also love that Urban Decay does is they actually come out with new shades with pretty much every collection that they release, which I think is so cool because these shades really complement the shades that are inside of this eyeshadow palette because they are jewel tone shades as well. So the shades that are inside of the eyeliner collection are Lucky. We also have this gorgeous bronze called Double Life, and then we have Overdrive. So let me swatch these for you because you guys are gonna die when you see them. They're so beautiful, so creamy, so pigmented, and again, I'm just totally living for these jewel tones. They're so beautiful. This is a nice bronze, and I also think that because they have like a little bit of a metallic finish to them, they're gonna look so beautiful for any eye color, and they're really gonna make your eyes pop like the stars in the sky. So again, love this eyeliner collection, and I think it goes really well with the eyeshadow palette. They also released 3 different lipsticks with the collection as well. These are in some super fun colors, and these are just a beautiful formula as well. I know I keep talking about the formula, but I really want to put that out there because I am such a fan of so many formulas that Urban Decay releases, including these. So these ones are soft, they're rich, they're long lasting, and they're creamy, which we all love in a lipstick. So this is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. It's called 66. And it's kind of like a rosy mauve shade, but it is so beautiful. I feel like this is the perfect like kind of rosy shade for everyday looks. Then we have a metallic shade that's called Ready ? And it's kind of like a red with gold shimmer running through it, gold metallic pieces running through it. I feel like I would wear this with a red lip and then pop this in the center just to give like a little bit more oomph right in the middle and give my lips some plumpness. And then we have a bold shade that's called Marfa. And this one is another comfort matte formula, so it's super comfortable to wear, very creamy, and I feel like this would be beautiful like transitioning into the fall because again, it goes so perfectly with all of the jewel tones. So this is a beautiful collection, and of course, we're doing a giveaway, so you guys can win this eyeshadow palette, the brand new Born to Run eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. It is so beautiful, and I can't wait for one of you guys to win this. All you have to do to enter to win is comment down below what upcoming beauty launch has you running to the makeup aisle, the store, IPSY shopper, wherever you purchase your makeup. Comment down below what you're most excited about and you'll be entered to win. Thank you guys so much for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. I'm Roxette Arisa and we'll see you next time.